I do think climate altering technology should be considered, but I think that it should be a last resort. I think that it's something that we need to do as much research as possible. We need to do as much work as possible before implementing them, and also include the right people to discuss them. I think that we should include a large variety of people in the research, implementation, and development of climate altering technologies, especially including youth, young scientists, and young people in general, as well as indigenous peoples, as they're amongst the closest to the land. The potential of climate altering technologies really impacts my personal life, especially being an Inuit woman and having spent a lot of time and continue to spend a lot of time out in the land and out in nature. It would impact that a lot, and seeing how that would change would be, I guess, heartbreaking but necessary.